In this video I'm gonna enable this cart product manipulation thingy here. So these links point to /update /product slug and some action. So in here I'm gonna copy this and I'm gonna say get update product, and the URL is gonna be /update /some product, and I'm gonna get that product slug in a variable, so rec params product, and I'll get rid of this. And I'm also gonna store the session in this cart variable, so rec session cart, and also the action, so action is gonna be rec query and action. So now I'm gonna loop through the cart and update the product that should be updated. So I'm gonna say for I 0, I less than cart length, and in here I'm gonna say if cart I title is equal to slug, and I'm gonna switch action. So case add, I'm gonna say cart I quantity plus and break, and copy this 2 more times. Format case remove, I'm gonna say quantity minus, and case clear here, I'm gonna say cart splice and pass the index and remove 1. And I also want to check if cart length is 0. If it is, delete the session. So if cart length is 0, I'm gonna delete rec session cart and break, and default is gonna be console log and update problem and break. And I'm also gonna break after this switch as soon as a match is found. And after the loop I'm gonna just copy this, so format this, and this is gonna say success and cart updated, and I'm gonna redirect to cart/checkout. So let's see if this works. Okay, so if I add bananas and apples and go to the cart, and if I click plus for bananas, I have 2, and now I have 3, and now I have 2 apples, and now I have 1 apple, and if I clear apples, okay, and this works too, except for this now. So if I have 1 and I click this minus here, this should disappear. So what I'm gonna do is, after I remove 1 here, I'm gonna check for the quantity. So I'm gonna say if cart I quantity is, if it's less than 1, I'll say, and then I'm gonna do this. So let's see now, if I go to add bananas and apples, and I go to my cart and I remove apples now, okay, and if I remove bananas, the cart is clear basically, but I'm still saying this and I don't want to see that. So I'm gonna say here in this get, if rec session cart and rec session cart length is 0. In that case, I'm gonna delete rec session cart, and I'm gonna redirect to cart checkout, else have the render. So format this and let's see if that makes a difference. So if I go to all products again and add bananas and add apples, and I clear apples and I clear bananas, and now it says your cart is empty. So that's fine. Okay, so the cart seems to be working fully now, and I'm gonna add the clear cart functionality in the next video.